market for electric vehicles is rapidly expanding, and it's helping us to reduce our dependency on fossil fuels. Materion is at the center of these advancements, innovating and developing integration solutions for lithium-ion batteries. Every lithium-ion cell requires a copper anode and an aluminum cathode. The problem here is when hundreds or even thousands of cells need to be joined together to make a powerful pack. Metallurgically, copper cannot be welded to aluminum, thus not allowing us to use our electron beam welding approach of making side-by-side composites. So, our development staff began collaborating with the world's largest battery manufacturers. Innovating together, we developed a unique side-by-side cladding technology that we call Dovetail Clad. The properties of Dovetail Clad offer outstanding strength and electrical performance. Recognizing the increased demand for electric vehicles, we understood the need for an aggressive cost reduction roadmap. So we invested in and built an innovative, fully automated manufacturing cell that will support this growing market well into the future.